you should take drama. Well, first of all, why not?
I would definitely recommend Drama 1, as it was one of my favorite parts of my whole freshman experience.
Drama was always something that I was really excited for, and it was the highlight of my day.
So I signed up for drama freshman year, and it was the best decision I ever made.
It gives you the opportunity to be creative and be open and be really confident in yourself in front of a lot of people.
I'd say that the biggest skill that drama helps me develop is public speaking, because that is something that I'm I wouldn't say bad at, but it gives me a lot of anxiety when I have to present something, and I'd say that drama helps me get over that fear.
And drama was a great way to make new friends and to get to know people on a deeper level.
I really have been able to cement my passion for theater.
All of the projects that we did were super fun, and I enjoyed every single one of them.
Things you learn in this class you can use in everyday life.
You learn some of the most essential skills: being present with people, listening to people,
Collaborating with other people.
All the amazing people that I've met and been able to work with and been able to have fun with.
Being able to problem solve and think out of the box.
Coming up with ideas to perform in front of people and to just have fun with your friends and creating something artistic.
It's like a family.
I think a common misconception is people think, okay, drama, you perform on stage and that's pretty much it, and that's all there is to it, but this program goes so beyond that. I can't state this enough. I urge freshmen to sign up for this course. It's completely life-changing, and you're gonna have so much fun, and I'm slightly jealous that you guys have 4 years to explore how magical it is. So I really urge all freshmen to sign up for drama, and good luck to you all.
So thank you, and I hope you decide to join our drama family. Bye!